Hello everyone, I am Monica. Today we are going to learn how to make tic-tac-toe in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Here we see a pop-up window appear when one player wins and there is an increment in their result. Like player X wins one time, player 0 wins one time. And next you can see that here no player is winning, so nothing will happen. So let's start our tutorial of this game. First of all, you should click on File, Option, and there is an option of Customize ribbon. Click on that, and you should tick Developer. Developer should be ticked. Okay. Click on OK, and you can see the developer is written in the toolbar. Now click on that. Click on the button icon there, and select the properties which is written here. And now there's an option of caption. Just delete it, we don't want any caption. And for the font, just click over there, select a font. Now copy and paste it again and again for our designing toolbar. As we can see, there's a 9 blocks in tic-tac-toe game. I'm making 2 extra blocks for a reset button and for new game. Now in front of caption write reset for the first button, and for the second button write new game. Select the font and size as you want. Click on insert text box and write player X wins how many time and player 0 wins how many time. Select the font, size and color as per your choice. And now again click on developer, select 2 buttons, 2 command button, and set the size. Now click on the properties and delete both the captions. And now our designing part is complete. Now click on reset button. You will come to our coding part. Just copy that first line command button and paste it there. Right, command button 1 dot caption is equal to nil. Again copy it and paste it 9 times and write caption button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we click on the reset button, all the commands should clear. Now I am making a private function, that is naming it win. Okay, so if command button 1 caption is equal to x, command button 2 caption is equal to x, and command button 3 caption is equal to x, means our first line having 3x, then a message box should pop out, return player X wins the game. So the syntax is shown on the screen. Then how to do this? After that, here you can see message box. I'm making a bracket. In the curly bracket, I'm returning the message here that hooray, player X win the game. Okay. This is the syntax to write it. I'm writing it for first line. We have to do it for every possible options. After that, I'm writing a global variable here. First, I'm declaring flag as boolean. Second, 2 integers I'm declaring a and b as integer. Okay, now as we can see that player X wins, that button is command button 13. Okay, so we have declared a variable a here. So whenever the player X win, a should increase by 1. So a is equal to a plus 1, and that command button 13 caption is a. Okay, after that just copy and paste from if to end if, paste it. The winning combination to win the game, like command button 1, 2 and 3 is a combination, command button 1, 4, 7 is a combination, command button 1, 5, 9 is a combination, it's 2, 5, 6, 8 is a combination, 3, 5, 7 is a combination, 4, 5 and 6 is a combination, like that. 7, 8, 9 is also a combination. These all are the winning combination. We should take care of it. When this combination occur, actually the message should pop up where it is written player X win the game. Now we have to copy all the text which we have written in this private win function, because these all are combination for X player only. We need to do the same coding for 0 player. So now I'm copying and pasting it here. Now what we have to change is the same. In place of X, we have to write 0. In place of A, we have to write B, and in place of command button 13, we have to write command button 12, so that when player 0 wins, that command button 12, that player 0 win should increase to 1 more time. The same we have to repeat for every combinations. Like this, as you are saying, just change the coding, the function will work properly. Okay, after all this editing, now click on the command button 1. You will get directly a private sub command button 1 click. Now write the code here. It is all display on your screen and I am reading it for you. If flag is equal to false, then command button 1 dot caption is equal to X, and change the flag to true. Else command button 1 caption is equal to 0. If you know the basic of the coding, you do understand why and what is written here. If and now change the color of the flag to false. We are doing this is because when we click, we want to click one time X, one time 0, next time X, next time 0. That's why we are writing this code here. Just copy the code and now paste it for every command button 2, command button 3 and same. Just click the button and copy it, paste it there. One more thing, if you are writing it for command button 5, do change it command button 5 dot caption. If you are writing it for command button 6, do change it for command button 6 dot caption. Okay, the same thing we are going to do for 9 of the command buttons or 9 blocks of tic-tac-toe. Okay, now we are almost done here. Next left is that new game. Just copy all the text we are written on the reset button and paste it there. And what in new game we want player x win should equal to 0 and player 0 wins should equal to 0. So write it there, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, and put the both the captions. Write command button 13 caption should equal to 0 and command button 12 caption should also be equal to 0. Now our coding part is completed. Now it's a presentation time. I'm going to write the whole code in the description section. You can check it out there. Now you can see our code is working perfectly. If you really like this video, do subscribe my channel, do like it, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.